Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Alxum 7-port smart charging station with 30 watts and USB-C PD. By the way, the 30 watts is pretty much an understatement because the total output is 70 watts, and I think it's a very interesting thing. Here we have also some information, and also on this side, but I'm going to show you everything anyway. By the way, what's really important that we have an input possibility of 110 to 240 volts. So this will work worldwide. And so this could be an awesome thing also for travel or at home for a family or for the whole office as a nice gift to your office staff or so. And here we get also some description, but I think everything is good described, but it's easy to use anyway, and I'm going to show you this anyway here. And so this is what we get. We get the central unit, we get the power supply, and so you can see we don't need any additional transformer. It's already built in here. This is something which I really like, and then you can see how many cables we get. If you don't want to use your own long cable, we get a lot. We get 2 times lightning, we get a couple of USB-C, micro USB and so on. Very nice to have these short cables which fit perfectly for this charging station. And then we get all these dividers here, nice, transparent, protected, and also these Apple Watch holder. I mean, this is how it works. We just push them here inside, and so we see we have this nice opening here for the Apple Watch wireless magnetic charge. We can just push it down here inside and then use the Apple Watch to charge on top of it. And then you add also some of these normal dividers for your larger and smaller devices, for your phones, for your tablets, for almost everything. And then we add the power supply here from the front. We can also turn it on here, and it's already ready to be used. And so you pick any of the suitable cables here, put your phone on the side, plug it in, and so we have already the charge. This is very convenient, and everything is nicely described. You have the fast PD with 30 watts, and here we have the normal USB-A ports with up to 2.4 amps, which is 12 watts per port. That's a lot, and it's not only very powerful, it's also very safe. It has a lot of safety built in against overheating, overcurrent, over voltage, all these things. You can see that here we are at 1.2 amps. We are increasing, going to the maximum here, and so you can see we can easily reach the maximum while we are still at a very high 4.8 volts. So this is perfect for charging, but we can even go beyond and then see what happens. So here we are at 3 amps. And on a single port, you can see technically we can go even much higher. We are at a whopping 4 amps. This is crazy. I don't suggest to do that, but I just wanted to show you how high we can go. Yeah, we are even at 5 amps. This is crazy. This is really super powerful. So I stopped this here. I don't want to damage this device. It's not about this device. I would probably first damage this device, so I stopped this here. So we have a lot of power here on the 5 volts. By the way, these are only 5 volts, of course. I can show you that also here. You can see there is no quick charge, no PD on these ports, just very strong standard USB output. But here on this side with the PD, it's total different thing. I'm using here the USB-C to USB-C, and we can see a lot of green, lots of compatibility with all kind of device like Samsung, Huawei, Apple, and much more. So we can see we have full compatibility with quick charge 2.0, 3.0, PD 3.0 up to 30 watts. So almost everything which is possible. So absolutely awesome. Yeah, and so I'm super happy with it. I love this thing. I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.